Okay, so let's look at a second example for expanding double brackets. Now I said that we're using the FOIL method. I didn't really go over what that is in the last video, so I'm just going to write it down here. So FOIL, F-O-I-L, and it stands for first, outer, inner, and last. So if we kind of think about that, if we look at that first example here, what we're doing first is we're expanding this first one, then we're doing the outer two, then we're doing the inner two, and then we're doing the last. So it's kind of like a nice mnemonic to kind of remember it by, but if you don't, you can just expand it normally. So let's have a look at this question here. Expand x plus 5, x minus 3. So if we use that FOIL method, let's expand the first two first. So x times by x gives us x squared. Now we're going to do our outers. So x times by negative 3 this time. So x times by negative 3 is negative 3x. And let's do our innards. So positive 5 times by x is plus 5x. And then positive 5 times by negative 3 is negative 15. Now from here, we can just simplify our expression by combining those two terms there. So we're going to end up with x squared plus 2x minus 15. And that's our final answer. So the only real difference between this example and this example up here is that we've got a negative 3 in one of our brackets. So that means we have a negative 3 down here, negative 3x. And that means that our last number is going to be negative as well. Okay, so pause the video here, copy out the working for this left-hand example, have a go at this right-hand example, and then play the video once you're done. Okay, so hopefully you've had a go at doing this right-hand example. Let's expand it. So we're going to do our firsts. So x times the x gives us x squared. Then we're going to do this one here, the outers. So x times by negative 3 gives us negative 3x. Then we're going to do our innards. So 4 times by x is plus 4x. And then we're going to do these two there. So positive 4 times by negative 3 is negative 12. Let's simplify this by combining these two terms. So we end up with x squared plus x minus 12. And that's it expanded. If you got that, fantastic. Give yourself a couple of ticks. And I'll see you in the next video for the next example.